Greetings from Jivras Technologies. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to integrate Google Sheets and Freshdesk using Sheet Director. Sheet Director can connect to Freshdesk, query the tickets and other entities and present in Google Sheets, as well as it can post tickets and other information into Freshdesk. I have a Google Sheet here. I'm going to show you how to pull this information from Freshdesk into the Google Sheet, and then we can use it for further pivoting or any other purposes. So these are the list of tickets that I can see here. So let me show you how we can query that ticket information and present it into this Google Sheet. So to do that, launch Sheet Director. Choose Freshdesk as an application. To connect with Freshdesk, we need the key and domain information. So let's look at what is this key. Key is something that we get from profile settings section. This is the place. So let me go ahead and take my key. I inserted the key. Let us look at what is this domain. Jivras is the domain name for my URL. Let me take that and put that here. So with this two information, we can now connect to Freshdesk. Freshdesk is successfully connected. Once it is connected, we can start querying on these entities. So we have chosen query as a service. So let us give some name to this. I want to take a list of tickets. So let me go and choose ticket list. And let me put some filters. I'll go for predefined filters. Maybe new and open. I'm just listing 10 tickets here. Let me choose where to list the tickets. In the tickets tab, I'm going to list it. Let's go ahead and run it. You can see those tickets are coming in here, right? So let me do a little differently. I can also look at search tickets. Freshdesk offers two ways of querying tickets. One is directly listing, second is searching on the tickets. Let me take this. So this time let me put the information that I want: ID, subject. Let's say I want type. I'll take priority, status, and the respondent name, which is the agent name, right? So I'll put a filter here saying that status is all unclosed. I want to bring all unclosed. Let me give some max results as 100. And let me bring this. So now it has to pick up only these fields for all status which are not closed with a maximum of 100 records. Let me execute that. So you see that the complete information is here based on my queries. All this information is here. So you can now go ahead and make a pivot out of it or a chart out of it. Also explore querying into other entities in Freshdesk like contacts, agents, roles, groups, companies, and so many other entities. So now let's go ahead and see how to post tickets from Google Sheets into Freshdesk. Let me create a new service. Let me choose Freshdesk and call this as post tickets. I'm going to choose post as a service. Let me provide the key and domain information. Let me connect to Freshdesk. Okay, once it is connected, it is asking for which entity we need to post. So let me choose tickets for now. So it is also providing an apply template. So this will provide a templated posting data. So let's go ahead and use that. Okay, so once we have applied this template, it has automatically given some sample inputs, and it is automatically mapped which field corresponds to which field in Freshdesk, which fields in Google Sheets corresponds to which fields in Freshdesk. So it has done this mapping, everything directly. So you can go ahead and make changes here. Just for simplicity, I'll go ahead and execute this. So we have 3 tickets here and all are ready to post, and the mapping is automatically done from the template. So let me go ahead and execute that. So when I'm executing, it is going to find out that how many records are ready to be posted. So there are 3 records are ready to be posted because we have put status as ready to post. Let's go ahead and post it. So I posted it. It has created 3 different tickets. We can just click and navigate to those tickets. Yeah, it says this is the subject of the tickets, this is the description of the tickets. So as we have given here, the subject and description is going. So from this email it is getting created. So it is showing that information in this. So like this, you can create as many as tickets at a click of a button. Okay, you can also post to a number of other entities like contacts, agents, groups, companies. So if you want to bulk create these values or these records, you can just prepare this information here or use a template and then update from there, and then go ahead and post it directly. So it will save a lot of time for you. Okay, so it is that simple to use Sheet Director to integrate Google Sheets with Freshdesk for querying as well as posting information. Thanks for watching and keep exploring Sheet Director.